Okay, so if you're on the internet looking for a solution because your oil pan's leaking and you don't want to take it out and jack the motor up and or cut the cross member off. I happen to have a 1-ton Dodge with a diesel, Cummins Diesel in it, and I got oil pan leaking. It's got rust holes in it. I'll show you real quickly now. You're coming in halfway through this thing, but I happen to be doing some work to this truck, doing the front end over when I found these problems. So I've got a lot of stuff out of the way, as you'll see. The the steering tie rods and all that is pulled out, but basically if you look, it might be hard to see, but there's holes right through. So what I did is I sanded all the paint away around the rusty spot, and I also have another one right up here. So again, that one's in a little dip. So I made another plug. I made some patches rather. Here and here. I got one that fits on here. Sorry, I'm cameraman and fabricator. So a patch that goes on here. Just kind of wrapped it around. Or maybe not this way, I don't remember. And once you start tacking and smacking, you'll get that to fit right in there nice. And this one here, I made with just a little dent in it to fall into there. Goes around the corner a little bit. And so there. So if you've got a lift and happen to have a trusty synchro wave hanging around or any kind of TIG welding machine, you can weld those in place. And let's give it a whirl. Oh, the other thing I did is I took and I ran just some carbon dioxide, some inert gas, and I ran a hose up into the oil filler. I drained all the oil out of the pan, put this into the oil filler, and I'll take the drain plug out so that you have inert gas in there. There's no chance of starting a fire with the oil, the residue that's in there, and it'll push the smoke out through the drain. So anyway, that's my theory anyhow. Let's give it a try.